Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to sign out of your PlayStation account. Now if you want to sign out or log out of your PlayStation account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to sign out of your PlayStation app, make sure that you have installed the PlayStation app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your PlayStation account. So if you are not logged in, you may simply log in by clicking on the option of sign in. So open the PS5, and if you are not logged in, you may click on the option of sign in. Now to sign out, you need to go on the top right corner of the screen and click on the option of profile icon, and on the profile icon you need to scroll down until you see the option of logout, which will be at the very bottom of the menu. So after clicking on the option of logout, it asks you, are you sure you want to log out of the app? Then you need to click on the option of confirm, and by clicking on the option of confirm, you will be able to sign out or log out from a PlayStation app. And once you have logged out, you will be signed out to the PlayStation app like this. You may log in by using the different account, or you may simply sign in by using the another account or the same account you want to sign into. So that's it. That's how you can sign out of PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.